Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp toast, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need approximately 1 pound of fresh shrimp, 8 to 10 slices of white bread, and a few common pantry items. Make sure your bread is a day or two old. This helps it crisp up beautifully. We'll also need fresh garlic, ginger, and green onions for that authentic flavor. Next, we'll create the flavorful shrimp paste. Begin by finely chopping or pulsing your peeled and deveined shrimp in a food processor until it forms a coarse paste. Then, transfer it to a bowl and mix in 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now, add your minced garlic, ginger, and finely chopped green onions. Season with a pinch of salt and a dash of white pepper for perfect balance. Now it's time to assemble our shrimp toast. First, carefully trim the crusts from your slices of white bread. This creates a neater, more uniform piece. Next, take a generous amount of your shrimp paste and spread it evenly over one side of each bread slice, extending almost to the edges. Then, cut each prepared slice into 4 equal triangles or squares. For an extra touch, sprinkle some sesame seeds over the shrimp paste. Finally, let's fry these golden delights. Heat about 2 inches of neutral oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the shrimp toast, shrimp side down, into the hot oil. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the shrimp paste is golden and cooked through. Then, flip and fry the bread side for 1 to 2 minutes until crisp. Drain on paper towels and serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.